Past Green Company summits showcase the best business achievements that China's 30 years of breakneck economic growth could offer. This year's summit put a heavy emphasis on the younger generation of entrepreneurs, with ecosystem and globalization being the buzzwords.
The next decade will provide enormous opportunities for Chinese companies with an internet ecosystem to really compete against companies from the US, Europe, Japan, and South Korea. The next 10 to 20 years will be a time the global economy may be Sinicized.
Mobile phone maker Xiaomi is breaking the Western corporate structure and creating a flat-top fleet style.
Why do we use what we call a Xiaomi ecosystem rather than Sony's department system? It's because the problems Sony has encountered today were precisely caused by its KPI and department systems. We invested in 55 companies that adopt Xiaomi's business model and product standards. In most cases, we've first decided to make a certain product and then look for people to form a company that can make it. It's a new corporate model.
Many Western companies have started to learn from such internet business models.
Technogym has been 30 years in the market. Also, Technogym is learning today from a model like Xiaomi. It's something that we are looking very close to replicate.
Besides the usual happy ending laughter it brings to an audience, Jack Ma also warned at the summit's grand finale that the fast-changing technology would reshuffle the internet industry structure sooner than anyone could expect.
Sometimes we think we've done really well. That's actually because we're lacking imagination. Now everyone thinks Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent are great companies. That's, you've guessed it, a lack of imagination too. In my estimation, in merely 2 to 3 years, the market will see changes. In 45 years, whether these companies still exist is a question.
The key takeaway from this year's summit is not only the ambition of Chinese companies to excel in the global market, but also their willingness to contribute in solving bigger problems facing our planet. Lolo, CCTV News, Jinan.